one of the breaking news photo from my region that is unfortunately marked by terrorism and unrest for quite some time. Before I share my experience about the coverage of the photo selected by the World Press Photo, I would like to take the opportunity to thank my family and friends for their support throughout my career, in which I have gone through some very difficult journeys. Especially Nawab Ayaz Khan Jubizai, Ajib Ali Muhammad Nurzai, Ghulam Farooq Khan, Musa Khan Kakar, Mirza Khan Khilji, Jamal Taraki, same name. Ataullah Nurzai, my best friend Dawood Shah, Naveed Tanewal, Asaf Khan Achibzai, my sir, my teacher, Sadiq Khan Achibzai, Sameer Khan Kaka Khail, Bakht Bacha, Sir Abdul Qudus Bazai, Juma Khan Badizai, Barakwal Mia Khail, Aminullah Fitrat, Aminullah Mishwani, Jafar Khan, Karim. Especially I thank Sir Umar Salim, and I thank journalist Shahzad Zulfikar, journalist Raza Rahman. I would like to thank the European Press Photo Agency for providing me a platform internationally